Hold it on it, baby. Pull them up. Pull them up, baby. Yep, go down, wind. Pull them up. Hold it, Tony. Bye-bye. Puff up. Pick it up when you go home. Good day's fish. 9 o'clock in the morning. Just about to go home. And it's a decent feeding. Ayan. See this big fuck. This is a big one. Watch out too high. It's a big one, Marcus. Yeah, bro.
Fucking Craig. Yeah.
Woo!
No, you want to ride? I got you one look. You want to
See, we're gay. Let's play it right. Sean, can you grab that hook, please? Oh, underneath if you can.
Yep.
It's got it. 4 kilo.
Morris, can you grab that guys?
Got a photo, bro? Never. Oh, no, Gernard.
Oh, Gernard, well done.
Fuck, that's a big boy.
Fuck, you're on fire, dude.
Trevally. Nice Trevally, cuz. Big one.
Yeah, my bro, it's on the board again. That's a big one. Snapper. Snapper.
Snapper.
That's a keeper.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, Shani.
Good.
You cousin. Yeah.
Yes.
Too much,
Oh,
Gus.
he's a big boy.
They are fucking trying to bite one.
Sean.
Me, Moldy.
Go away. Snapper on the board. See you, Gus.
Cuz. Snapper.
You're a good day, Sean.
Yeah.
Nice out, Gus. Fucking what's that, number 6?
Something like that. 6 or 7.
Yeah, Kazi. All the way from Flex Motor. Tēnā koe tangaro.
Stay in the water. Yeah, I thought you were out with 9. And then I kind of come along here and your mate just
Oh, he's the base. So it's snapper for today. We're going to put him back. First catch for the day. So we'll put him back now. Yeah, that's the one, bro. Here's a keeper. Snap, bro, that's a monster.
I told you. It was that one that you dropped.
Bro, Rawe. Yeah, way to go, my bro.
Too much, brother.
Bro, Bob, say cheers, bro.
Check on it.
And you got the snapper. Trevally in there. How was your day, Kill?
And I got not too bad, bro.
Lovely.
That was probably the bigger of the few that's in there.
Hold that up for us, bro. Hold that up. Oh. Fuck. The man, my brother. They're barking away. There she goes. Yee-hee. There you go, my bro. He's already put the first one back. Catch off the day, right? Yeah, it's a big trevally. That's a monster. Let's keep up. Shot. No catch. Volume too well. Big snapper. Tēnā koe tangoro mo te kai. Ka poi. Ka more than me. Big, all monsters, all passes. 1, 2. It's rough out there, guys. First fish for the day. Going back. Out on the water today. Breakfast. 10 minutes on the water. Nice big kahawai. And that's the prize of the day. Flounder for breakfast. Yeah. Nice big fat kahawai. Someone was trying to bite it. Got whippets for Billy. So it's all over the place. Whippets are everywhere. Doesn't look nice. However, it's just whippets. Let's go. It's our first fish for the day. She's going back in. Here's our first one. You can put them back. Little trevally. Here you can go back in. Too small. Way to go, man. Hold them up. Hold them up.
I'm trying. I don't want to do the fall in.
Nah, there you go. Beautiful king. Number 2 for the day. Little kahawai. I set them up for livey. King number 3. Kaiton. It's a big boy. Kia ora tangaro. Got another big ika there. It's a big sized one. For the plate. tēnā puitangaro. Tēnā tangaro. Stick the net for 10 minutes. Got breakfast. Looks like it's pan-sized flounder on the menu. Tēnā puitangaro.
Big shout out from Aero Drones. If it wasn't for you.
Okay.
Just pull minutes in.
That's what the old man said to me.
Ki he ati hoki e kore e wehe.
Gurnard for tea. Got a trevally for bait. 2 kahawai to smoke up. Gurnard fillets. Smoke that one up. That one's going straight into the pan. Day. Massive day. 10 minutes in. Got a good sleigh. Wrong species, but enjoying the day. Little kahawai. Sending them back. Feeds on.
Number 2, Sahn, 213. Sahn, congratulations, bro. Well done, and you may come.
There goes. Lost my race.
Think about that.
And that is another day, successful day. Woo! Yeah. So we're going to tie the knots. Call it a day.
Homeward bound. Kia ora whānau. For dreams are made. For dreams are made, brother. Fulfill the dream. King Tanga.